We respect the right to protest.
Commissioner Kevin Davis, Baltimore's top cop, and Administrative Judge Michael Pearson, the boss of Judge Barry Williams, communicated with each other at least 26 times during the trials of the officers charged in the police in custody death of Freddie Gray. The police commissioner declined an on-camera interview to discuss the communications. He provided a statement, quote, "Of course I was in contact with the court during the trials. The community has a vested interest in addressing any potential public safety concerns before they arise. Anyone who doesn't understand that leadership requires preventive conversations doesn't understand leadership," end quote. The April riot sparked lingering concerns about community reaction to a verdict or dismissal of charges.
I think there is a legitimate reason for the communication based on public safety concerns.
Former city prosecutor Debbie Hines is now a legal analyst based in D.C. She says someone under the commissioner should have been in contact with the sheriff's office, which is in charge of courthouse security, to coordinate resources. We showed Hines phone records obtained through a Maryland Public Information Act request, revealing calls and text messages between Davis and Pearson. Some of the communications happened on key decision dates, but others occurred on a weekend or on days where the court heard mundane testimony. Hines considers this a red flag.
On paper, if you're just looking at it and you don't have a clear understanding of the issue of public safety, it doesn't pass the smell test. It looks a little fishy, and you're left wondering, why would the two of them be communicating?
Judge Michael Pearson declined an on-camera interview as well. He also issued a statement, quote, "When high-profile cases are pending, communications involving the administrative judge and Baltimore City Police Department are required for public safety in order to coordinate security measures," end quote. Twice, Davis asked to change the day when Judge Williams announced a verdict. Sunday, June 19th, during the Caesar Goodson trial, Davis writes, "Our verdict on the last day of school is not good for the city," and included a social media post that he said concerns him. The verdict came down the following Thursday. And another text on Tuesday, July 12th. During the Edward Nero trial, Davis writes, "Monday would be an ideal verdict day, again to avoid protests." The verdict did come down that following Monday.
Hours I can see, but by days it does seem like that's some collusion and that's some meddling that really goes a little bit beyond public safety.
Judge Pearson appointed Judge Barry Williams to preside over all of the trials. We asked the court how that decision was made, and we're still waiting for a response. Reporting live from the Bishop Robinson Police Headquarters building downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.